Yes, let's go for a trip. Hey, what is this? Oh my god, I think I have a low tire pressure. Oh my god, I need to check it out. My tire! Got a flat tire. What should I do? What should I do? Oh my god! So welcome to my channel. So if you've seen the just now video, it's a footage of a car. There's tire run flat on the road. So today I will teach you when tires run flat, what you want to do. So if you are in the road trip and then your tire suddenly runs flat, so first you need to take your car and stop it by the roadside. Secondly, you need to press this, the emergency indicators, because it's very important to let the others oncoming car knows that your car is stopped. So now we can stop the engine right now. Sorry about the sunlight, it blocks up something. So now let's take a look at the boot. Okay, so your tire is running flat, right? So you need to change your spare tire by the roadside. When you call the mechanic, are not coming. When it's Sunday, the workshops are closed, so you need to change your tire yourself. So firstly, right, this Myvi, I will take this Myvi as an example. So this Myvi does equipped with this repair kit. So we need to take the emergency triangle out of the car. Is this? And we take it out. So now we are going to attach this into a triangle. So we attach this part and this part, and then we attach, and the legs of the emergency triangle, you need to move it out to make it sturdy, stand up. So when you put this emergency triangle, you need to put this behind 10 meters of the car to let the oncoming car knows your car is stopped by the roadside. Because if in the night, right, the emergency indicator doesn't work, the car light, when the outcoming car open the light, the emergency triangle will reflect the light to warn that the car is stopped. So next we need to take the emergency jacket up item out of the car. So I take the things out first, unnecessary things. So you will see. So now you have put the emergency triangle right here. So you actually need to take out the jack up item to jack out the car. So the jacking out items is located down this storage with the spare tires. So to unlock it, so you simply twist this and it will unsecure, and then you can just take it out very easily. So we need to put down a bit this piece. So why we need to put? Because this is already strengthened, so it is very strong compared to the undercarriage here. So many cases happens when you have a flat tire, they jack it up the car beside here, and then the car just make a hole when you jack it out, because this car is quite heavy though. So when you jack out, when it's not strong enough, it will become a hole. So now let's jack it up first. So basically click under the carriage. Okay, after this we need to use this tool to jack it out.
An eternity later.
You see the car is already jacked up. So you don't need to jack up so high. So you just leave 2 centimeters of ground clearance. It's alright. So we need to open this 4 knob because I have no enough energy. So I'll put a picture when the tire is removed. So we remove. We are going to use this hexagon item to open it. And after you remove this, you need to put a spare tire. So some cars like BMW or Mercedes, Audi, they does come with a very hard, very 防爆 tire. I mean, I'll put the English meaning down there. So whatever. So to take out the spare tire, right? We actually need to unlock this knob right here. Yes, pretty easy, and then you use to take out the spare tires and put it down at the floor. So I'll put a picture when the spare tire is already attached. I will put some picture lah. So after you put your spare tire inside the car, you need to screw it back. So screw it also knowledge, because 4 screws need to have the same energy balance, so that the tire won't run a very weird odd position. So first, as you can see, if I lock from here, and the next one we need to lock the opposite side. We need to have a balance energy of the screws. And after this, we need to run to here, and lastly is here. We just tighten up 80% is enough. After this, you need to jack down the car first. Okay, jack down.
An eternity later.
This item has been removed, so we need to tighten up 20% more to secure. When the tire is running, it won't fall out very easily. So go. This is a space saver spare tire, right? So the temporary use only, you cannot use it as every day. So you see, actually this tire is pretty new. So this tire only can run not more than 80 kilometers per hour. Because the size, the rim and the actual rim is not the same, so it will be unbalanced. So yes, this is the how to change the spare tire. This is the teachings I will teaching you lah. So yeah, so okay, when you change the spare tire, right, you need to quickly go to your workshop to renew the tires. So after you renew, right, the spare tire need to put inside the car again. So there's a knowledge too. So I'll teach you. So first, you take a spare tire. You open the latch right here. And then you put the spare tire at the center of the hose right here. Okay. So, and then you put this knob and lock it securely. So, this will happen when they finish using their spare tire, this doesn't lock. So this is the safety issue with many cases, that when you are get into an accident, the spare tire just fly off the car and hit the passenger or the driver, so it will become a very serious injury. So this tells us when you, after using a spare tire, you need to lock it securely at the boot so that the spare tire or the jagged item thing doesn't float around. And when getting to the accident, the spare tire won't easily fall out. Okay, so you need to secure it. So yeah, it will secure. Very tighten. Okay, so now we need to go now. So we need to simpan this like the emergency triangle. So actually you need to put this leg down. And then the latch here, you need to unpop it. And then we take this green color. And also we need to take the plastic bag. And we just slot it in right like that. So the emergency triangle will slot it in like that. And then you just put inside the bag, which got a pocket right here. Okay, so the tool must also store in the plastic also. So I put inside and zip it. And yeah, this already the job is basically done. So yeah, this is the tire changing teaching class. So now conclusion. Okay, when you are like you're running on the highway, right? Your tire is basically run flat, so that you need to change the tire by the roadside. But this also very dangerous lah. When you change tire, some cars run very fast. They didn't recognize the car is stopped, so they will crash. So they also got many cases happening in Malaysia. So for safety, if a tire run flat or on the highway, if the car is tire pressure is running very flat, but you need to slow down lah. If it's run flat, the tire pressure goes very slowly down. You can drive slowly and go to the workshop to replace a new tire. So this is a safest way. If can, right, we try to prevent changing tire by the roadside or the highway. So you only change the tire by the roadside if the car tires run flat very quickly, if necessary lah. And so thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and like my channel too. So thank you guys and chill.